morning, guys. We're still here in New York City, and if you're wondering how a room with 3 guys look like, well, here it is. Bro, we seriously need to clean our room, man. Look at this. Let's go, boys.
Yeah, what's up?
Alright, so the plan for today is...
What?
There's no plan, bro. We're just gonna explore New York and see what we can do.
The band.
I cut that out because Matt's plan isn't always the best plan. It ain't foolproof. No. Our hotel is right across Central Park, and we've never even stepped foot in Central Park until today. Oh, you guys have. Well, I haven't.
Yo, do you want to ask how we rent bikes?
Nah, let's just figure it out, bro.
Alright, bro. I like that mentality.
So this is it. It's a $12 day pass.
You wanna ride city?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we're following this guy right now, and he recommended us we take his bikes instead of the city bikes because it's more convenient. Well, it is in a way because we're only paying $20 for the whole day per bike, and we can just go wherever. Versus the city bike, you have to pay $12 for the whole day. Yeah, that's cool, but you have to return the bike every 30 minutes in like a station. So that's not really convenient, but you know. Our parents always say don't follow random people out on the street. Well, that's what we're doing right now.
Like friends in the road?
Okay. There are so many choices. Yeah.
After tax 65.33. It's charge extra $10.
Everything extra.
Let's go, dude.
Okay. Who wants to be navigator? I can't be vlogger and navigator
I'll
at
go.
the same time. It's pretty difficult as it is. You know what? The best way to get around is just by getting around and going. So let's go.
No, let's go. Let's make our way to Brooklyn already.
Okay, so let's head to Brooklyn. But which way is Brooklyn? Which way is Brooklyn?
I think we can drive.
Don't do a wheelie on TV, not like that. With a bike, you know what I mean?
So this guy is telling me to do it New York style.
Yeah, do it for me. You gotta do it. You gotta do it for me. You gotta do it.
What's your name?
OG, baby. OG.
OG, okay. This is for you, bro.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas,
Crazy
every
man,
bone
right in the
and
middle of
muscle.
Times Square.
Steady taking shots, never hurting them.
Oh my god.
Even then, y'all don't worry nothing.
Woo! This is such a cool feeling, man. Just like renting a bike, riding down New York City. This is unreal. I just want water. Energy. We probably bike for like an hour already. We need to keep up our energy, bro. Energy is key, bro.
Almonds is key.
Finally made it to Brooklyn. We're actually in Prospect Park here at Brooklyn side, and we're going to this area called Smorgasbord. So it's Sunday, so today they have like a food park going on. So if I see a lechon here, which is unlikely, I'll order the whole thing. I'm so hungry. Bikes are chained, and now we eat. Go, bro. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy, man. It's like what, 2 pounds?
Do it.
Oh my god. Best beef ever. We are on our way back to Manhattan, but we don't want a bike going back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the subway and take our bikes on the train. That's how tired we are.
I'm not.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And then we go out. And then okay. Okay, got to regroup with the gang again. Layla, what are you laughing about?
Life.
Just life in general.
Life is so funny.
Life is so funny. And of course, we make a stop in M&M. There's literally every item you can think of that has the M&M branding all over it. Luggage tags, luggage locks, shoelaces, iPhone cases, the M&M fans. They even got memory foam neck pillows.
That's Atreus. Yes, sir.
Yo, so while we were here at M&M's, right? Just buying M&M's like a normal person would in New York, guess what happened? I wouldn't expect one of the epic moments in my life to happen here, but it did. Guess who followed me back on Twitter? Freaking Post Malone. That's crazy.
That's like that. We make official bench shutter too.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Congratulations, worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look, we made it.
And that's the end of that vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like that vlog and that style I did. That was actually the last day of my stay in New York. And I thought I'd try a different vlog style, you know. I didn't put raw vlog in the beginning of the video like I usually do if I feel if it's a raw vlog. Because I'm not sure if this is gonna be a raw vlog or this is gonna be my new format of vlogs. I don't know. As I go through this whole YouTube vlogging journey, I want to try different styles, you know, different techniques I think would be cool, you know. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Please like this video. It means more than you know, guys. And subscribe if you haven't. But before I let you go, I just want to show you guys a bit of montage I did from all the B-rolls I got during my stay in New York. I just don't want them to be put into waste in like my hard drive. So I tried to create like a mini movie. Yeah. So yeah, this is a little New York montage for you. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Man, I swear last summer was like a dream. Feels like last summer was like a dream. And I'm trying to figure out, I'm just trying to figure out what it means. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what it means. It's such a tragedy to stay inside on peaceful summer days, but I got nobody calling me, I stay behind the shades. I was thinking about the days, how they weren't even a thing. Wasting hours watching ceilings, clouds passing through the shades. As I wonder why I never said the words I had to say. As I watch the summer slowly fade away with autumn's day. Pink and white and blue and green and warmth that makes me tired. Bright eyes from quiet stares, moments to admire. Now the haze is in my memory, just places that I used to be. I wish I could return, but know that I could never stay. No, I can't call it a home, it's just a stop along the way. And I don't know where I'm going, but it seems I'll be okay. If rain don't fall like it used to, the sun gets hotter every year. The people that I know slowly moving away, they're moving towards everything that I have feared.
It wasn't even recording.